While this training course may often focus on email accounts, all of the information presented within the entire course can be applied across the board and web to any account or website that supports any of the security features or topics mentioned in the following pages. If you really think about it, the basis of account creation, in most cases, link back to your email account in some way. It's like your social security number in a way, but perhaps not as extreme. It's something you often identify with and use to verify yourself or communication amongst or around the world. So, again, while a lot of the focus in this course is on the email account aspect of account security, this knowledge is completely universal and not in any way exclusive to just email service providers or accounts. It is just insinuated that the root of everything should be the security of your email, so the main goal is to keep that account as secure and safeguarded as possible. And of course, amongst that, also being strict about the security of any and all other accounts you create on the web. Without further ado, let's get right into it.